part 2.
Since the light went off.
No, it's just the video went fully off.
Oh.
So, we're gonna put you, here.
Let me have them.
Hold on. We'll put you guys here. We're gonna go through the little door. And then I'm gonna pretend like the big door doesn't exist.
The door doesn't exist?
But this little door does. So this is the spot that he'll be in. And he'll be sitting on that big couch.
Alright, right back. So, guys, I've been just pretty good today. But I'm confused. Haven't done any videos. I'm sorry that we haven't updated any videos for the next 9 years. We're back with another video. Okay. And also that people have been knocking on the door, ding dong ditching, and all the other stuff. What's that? Do I ring the phone? Hello.
Hi, is your mom home?
She's at work.
Okay, bye.
I've been waiting.
I hear freaking noise. Run away. No, so it's getting creepy. Guys. We're stopping because we're hearing noise. And we're having a bad time. Is that right? And this is her. She's freaked out. We're just.
I'm your mom, remember?
Oh, yeah. And also, we're making a video for you guys, and look what the thing happened. Tornado happened and it demolished her whole yard. Crap. My mom's home. Dang it. Well, she's on her way home. I gotta get, guys. Look what happened. Look at it. There's weird noises in here. I'm gonna text my mom that, no. Alright, I'm gonna text my mom. No. So I'm gonna call my mom.
By the little door. Billy, what are you doing?
Bro, look what happened.
Oh, someone in our yard?
Yeah, someone in our yard and demolished it. Hey guys, so today I'm going to my house and my dad is going to go to work. So he's going to come in the house and tell me all the rules. How you going? Okay, these are the rules. No having parties, no friends over. Well, you can have friends over, just no having the bad part.
Okay.
Have a fun time.
Oh, well.
I heard something like a buzz sound. A buzz. Go in there and you hear it.
Get my phone. Get it!
I can't. Racer. No, stop. Should I just deal with it? No. There's freaking buzzing. And that's a bad sign. Guys, we have to stop it.
No.
Stopping this video.
No. I want to turn off my camera. I'm gonna turn off my camera. Okay, guys.
That's crazy.
Where you going?
Freaking buzzing sounds. Okay, guys. Right now, there's freaking buzzing sounds. It's getting creepier by the minute. We don't know where it's coming from. Probably coming from there because there's always bees over there.
So you're gonna bring them with you around to the little door, and you're gonna shut and lock it, okay? And I'll shut the big door.
So, guys, I'm gonna bring you to the small door. Lock it.
Hold on. No. Dude, hold on. No,
Hey.
I said hold on.
No. Dude, I have to turn off that bright light. Remember?
Oh, yeah.
Here, turn it to light and make sure that like Graceland. Dude, you supposed to be.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Alright, I want you to come in. 1, 3. We're gonna go in, and I'm gonna turn off that light.